I think it's about time.
I always feel you're the reason why Dad is still single.
So you think he hasn't found someone because of us?
It's possible.
Or he has found someone, but he's not sure how we're going to take it. That's why he hasn't told us.
Maybe we should ask him then.
Is it our business?
Of course it is. He's our father. And it's our duty to make sure that he's happy.
Okay. Shall you ask him then?
Why can't you?
You're the firstborn now. And you know how to discuss issues like this. I have no idea.
So you know. Okay. I'll ask him.
When?
I don't know. When the time is right.
And when will the time be right?
I don't know. I'll tell you two when I ask him, okay?
Okay.
Be fast though. Age is no longer on that man's side though. See, if he has no one in his life, then we could hook him up.
Hook him up?
Yeah.
With who?
There are plenty single, nice women out there. Trust me.
Like who?
And the Chinwe.
Hey! Don't worry. She'll be your stepmom.
How did you know? Yes.
Daddy?
No. No one. No, it's nothing. Yes, I'm some little sound. Tayo, I'm going out.
Oh, you have a meeting?
Sort of.
Sort of?
Yeah, sort of.
Okay, so when would you be back?
I really don't know.
That's strange. You'd normally know what time you get back.
No, I don't. Is there something you want me to help you with?
No, not really.
So why did you come to my office earlier today?
Oh, that. I was a little bored earlier and I wanted to just come and chill with you. But it's okay. I'm fine now.
Okay. See you later.
Dad, would you at least tell me where you're going to, Daddy? Looking so dapper.
Ikoyi.
Ikoyi? Is there a woman waiting for you at Ikoyi? Is that a new shirt? Daddy.
I really don't know what you're talking about.
Daddy. You smell good, by the way. I'm sure she'd like it. He does not know what I'm talking about. Of course you know what I'm talking about, old man.
And how do you know?
And doesn't he seem different to you? Happier?
And he talks a lot of fun these days. Yeah.
You girls have not even been at home. I have been stalking this house. My eyes have seen a lot.
Still no lectures? No shoots?
Nothing, no. But I've decided not to worry about this anymore. I actually take it as nature's way of telling me to rest.
See this one.
Anyway, I think I've waited too long to ask Dad about his love life. I think I'll do so tonight.
Yeah, we all should. Are you kidding? All of us?
I mean, we do deserve to know.
If Daddy is in love with someone, he might just end up marrying her and making her your stepmom. I think if he's seeing someone, we deserve to meet her now. At least, now that she's still fresh.
Let's do this.
Good. After dinner, tonight.
Well, I'm sure it would have spoiled to Flo. I can understand why he did that.
I just can't get over that name.
What name?
The lady's name. Cassandra Rogers.
Do you know her?
I doubt it. But I hate that name.
Well, it's a sweet name.
It sounds fake.
Girl, you are just hating.
On what?
I mean, it's nobody's fault that you don't have an English name.
Please. I would rather my native name. Fola Shade. Thank you very much. Cassandra doesn't do much for me.
Anyway, we don't have to judge her by her name. We just have to keep an open mind till we meet her in person. I think.
Are you serious?
Of course I was. These are my daughters. Shade, Tayo, and Bumi.
These are your kids? They're hardly kids, Boo.
They all look grown up, but they are still my kids. Well, girls, meet Cassandra. Cassandra, my daughters.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you.
Same.
Welcome. I love your hair and your dress.
Oh, thank you so much. This is Caribbean Dreads and the dress is Versace.
Right. Well, you look good there.
Thank you so much.
You don't remember me?
Should I?
We went to school together. You were my senior.
Oh, my dear. I've been to school with a lot of people. You have to be more specific. Though, even if you were, I wouldn't remember you. Well, except you were in the circle of my friends, and which you were not.
Excuse me? What did you just...
How rude of us to interrogate you, Cassandra.
Oh, it's okay.
Dad, would you like something to eat?
Yes. Yes, please.
No wala. Shade, come. What's up with you?
I know that girl. Her name is Onome. Not Cassandra. Yes. We were in the same department in school, even though she was a year ahead of me. But she kept on failing, so I had to leave her in school.
And you're sure it's the same person?
Oh, come on, Tayo. You used to be able to smell bullshit from miles away. Why can't you smell this one? Does she seem real to you?
My dear sister, that girl lost me when she called that dress Versace. Hey! Half of the girls in my school own that dress. No exaggeration, half of them.
Tayo, she is a friggin' fake. And she's always been like that.
Yes, I understand, but she's Dad's guest now. So we have to respect that. For Dad's sake at least, if not anything. Do you think you can put all of this away till she's gone? Can you manage that?
Okay, I'll try.
Good. Thank you. Let's go to the kitchen now.
Will someone please explain to me what happened earlier today?
What part, Dad?
The beginning. And you girls couldn't even pretend to be graceful.
But we were graceful, Dad.
No, you were condescending. Tayo's compliment of her hair and dress. I could read through that. And Shade, what was all that about knowing her from school?
But I do know her, Dad. I do know her. Her name is Onome. I don't know where she got that Cassandra from.
She told me.
What?
She told me her name was Onome. She decided to call herself Cassandra. And I chose to call her Cassandra. Is that it?
Well, back in school, she was known for her ways with men. Twice, Dad, she was arrested for conning men. She's a non-pretender. And she will do everything, anything to get what she wants.
So, big deal. When did you become so petty? Everyone has a past. And besides, it's not like that anymore.
You know what, Dad? You are so right. She's not the same anymore. Because rumor has it that she's even worse than she used to be.
Rumor? Wow. Shade. And you were wondering why I didn't tell her about you girls. Here is an example. And for the record, she makes me happy. And obviously, I don't deserve that.
Maybe we went too far.
Yeah, obviously Daddy really, really likes her.
You girls don't understand. Onome is like that.
And you think she's still the same Onome?
She's even worse. Look, her younger sister is my friend's colleague. And anytime my friend and I talk, she always has one Onome escapade or the other to gist me about. That girl is a source of sorrow to her entire family.
We have to get rid of her.
Yeah. But we need to do that without hurting Dad.
But how do we do that?
I don't know. I really don't know. But if we don't, Onome will wreck our father.
Like, take all his money?
Every single thing he owns. That's how she rolls.
Is the phone working well?
Yes, I did. And I love it. But you didn't have to buy me an expensive phone, though.
You deserve more than that, Cass.
Oh, thank you. You're so sweet. Oh, and I got the alert for the 100K you sent.
That should cover for the bills and your personal needs.
Oh, thank you. I'll make sure I'll let my sister call you when she gets better.
No problem at all. Am I seeing you tonight?
Oh, but of course, darling. Yes. Okay. This is what's going to happen. I'll come to the house, say hello to the girls, and then we can go out.
Sounds perfect. See you then.
All right, sweetheart. Bye. Mwah.
Is it not too old for you?
Old. Who's complaining? I'm not complaining. And you shouldn't too. You shouldn't. Considering the 50K you requested is here.
And his girls?
Which girls? I hate those girls. I hate them all. They're a pain in my butt. Telling you. I have no choice, Sha. But besides, I don't go there often, so it's fine.
Do you have time?
Hey, what's up?
I kind of need some money. I mean, I'm broke. I need to buy some textbooks. I need to do some of my assignments. Besides, I also need my monthly allowance for this month. I need to take care of some personal effects.
But I just settled you ladies some days ago.
Days ago? Dad, weeks ago. 5 weeks ago.
It's already 5 weeks.
That's all. Besides that, I won't be asking you for any money. It's just because I've not been paid for some of the modeling jobs that I've done.
I don't have cash on me now. The little that I have, I sent it to Cassandra for her sister's hospital bill.
Dad, you sent Cassandra money?
Yes. She didn't ask me, but I forced her to. I sent her 60K to settle the bills.
60,000 naira? Hey. Wow. So, there's nothing for me?
Not at the moment. But next week, I'm expecting some cash next week. In the interim, you can ask Shadi for a loan. I'll give her back.
Okay. Thanks, Dad.
₦60,000?
100K actually.
She mentioned it before they left together.
So she mentioned it to you?
Nah, not really. I mean, she saw me walking and then she pulled Daddy in for a kiss, saying, "Thanks for the 100K and the new phone."
So they actually kissed?
A new phone? Oh, I swear, I almost fell down and broke my neck. She is so lucky. I would have skinned her. The goose. Well, thank God you weren't home. Now, what are we going to do?
Yeah.
So, how's Kaba?
It was fun, but still, I hate my job. And now it takes me away from you girls. Aww. So tell me, what's the emergency? Oh, by the way, wait. Where's your dad?
Oh, he's out.
Out.
Yep, on a date.
On a date.
Yes, with a girl we're trying to get rid of.
And that is the emergency.
Well, that should be easy. We'll get an assassin to do a very clean job. But it will be a little bit expensive considering...
No! We're not trying to kill her. We're not murderers.
Oh.
We just want to, get her to leave.
Oh. Oh, okay. Let's see. If your father has HIV, she would leave him.
Excuse me? What exactly are you saying?
Tell her your dad has HIV.
But he doesn't.
She wouldn't know that.
Yeah, but what if they, already had sex?
What?
Yo. This part of the plan is not for your teenage years. You can go to your room now.
Why?
Go first. Now!
So what if they already have?
It doesn't matter. She wouldn't know that. She would just believe first and run. I'm sure she's not that intelligent to even think or ask questions. Next thing you know, she's screaming, "Murder!" and taken to her lips.
Oh my God. I knew we could always count on you.
That's family.
Hey, you're here.
Yes, and I'm ready.
Right. Let me get something from the room. I'll be right back.
Okay, good.
Be nice, girls.
I know you girls don't like me. What I want to know is why.
Have you had sex with him?
What?
You must excuse my sister. She lacks any skill in subtlety.
Well, I don't see how that is any of your business. But if you must know, we haven't had sex yet. But soon. Very soon. Trust me.
Hey, yeah. Then you don't know.
Know what?
She can't possibly know.
Of course. That's why she's still with him.
Know what?
Isn't it possible that she could be, passionately, genuinely in love with our father?
Well, that would be really sweet. If, even after finding out, she still decides to stay. But I can bet my next salary. She doesn't know yet.
Know what? Know what?
How do I tell you this?
Tell me what?
Our father is HIV positive.
What? What?
Come on. Stealth. Subtlety. Do these words exist in your dictionary? This isn't how we're supposed to tell her.
Well, she knows.
HIV.
Of course. Why do you think he's still single? Abi, he no fine rich.
Yes, I'm ready.
When were you going to tell me?
Tell you what?
Dad. She knows.
Oh, boy.
Oh my God.
Well, there you have it. But that doesn't change anything.
Eh?
You still love me, don't you?
But, are you for real? Love? I never loved you. You don't have enough money to keep me here. In fact, I am so out. HIV. I am so out of here. Go to people. HIV. Goodbye.
You girls deserve to be in Nollywood.
Oh, Dad, your acting skill deserves more excellence than we can ever boast of.
Daddy, thank you so much for letting us do this. I mean, we were scared of telling you because we thought you wouldn't agree.
I started seeing signs that she was lying. Besides, she was all about the money. I'm 50 and I own a dating site. Any woman who truly loves a man will not bolt at the first sight of trouble. It was also a litmus test for her.
And she failed woefully.
You can say that again.
Good riddance to bad rubbish.
I'm blessed to have girls like you to watch my back like this. Thank you. Besides, whose idea was this anyway? It was a bit extreme.
Chiwe.
Who else would think of such devious plan?
But Dad, she did it for love.